My name is Daniela. Just kidding. I was pretending I was a unicorn. So, we're gonna do what first thing? First thing, we're gonna unbox this one. Let's take them out. And iron and comb. What is this, Mommy? I mean, not this one. This one.
A hair tie.
We got a hair tie. Wait, first thing I'm gonna have a brush to brush my hair. And then after the brush, we're gonna iron my hair. Next, we're gonna blow my. Oh, it's out of battery. I got this one, but this one is purple. The other one was blue. Okay. Next, we're gonna get my hair. Wait, is this working? It's not sure.
You really thought that it's for real, huh?
Now we're going to. I'm pretending I'm putting hair clip. One hair clip. Ah! Two hair clip. So let's close it, guys. Let's close it right now. So this is number one.
Where have you been?
Be fun buying something. And I really want to take this out. And these are all of my cards I bought. And these have different words.
Let me see.
Oh. This one is a different.
Orange.
Yeah. Is this all orange? I'm just gonna let it go. I'm just gonna put it like this. Should I take this off? And put it like this. This is my sleeping mask I was wearing. And this is the one I bought. What is this kind of toy, Mommy?
I don't know. I don't know how you call that.
I never seen this. Maybe I should put this right there.
But there's a name on it.
Yeah. What is?
That's Mommy's. Whoa. You bought a lot? Yeah?
This bag is not wrapping. I'm not going to take it off. Okay. That's all good. And I got this shopkin.
Yeah.
I'm gonna, here, help me pop it. You guys help me. That's the girl.
Oh,
That's
isn't
the
it
girl.
pretty? So.
Woo! Shopkins. And I just boom it. And then this is the collection, guys. So I wonder what we get today, because this is my first time having that box, because I never have that box. I never have this one. We'll open that one later. So first one, the first. Oh, we got to open here. And I don't know their names, so I just always call them different names. I think I need Caesar. Okay, I can sniff. I can look. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna look and see where she put it upside down. These are the limited edition, like these. Is she in the back? Please be in it. I'll just guys look for her because I'm sure she might be in that.
Oh, that's cute. It's like a rainbow.
Yeah. You look for her in the collections. This is gonna be so cute. Confetti! I don't know. Do you know is this one? She's also a Shopkins girl.
Yeah.
She's a big girl, and she's actually the girl. She takes hair, like the big girls take care of the Shopkins.
Aww.
How do you open this?
What is that?
You got to open it. There's a pine bag, and look, this is her home.
Let me see. Oh, that's so cute.
This is where she
Oh, that's
stands.
cute. So that's their bedroom.
Yeah, that is her home. And I'm gonna get out this girl. Wait. She's so tiny. Like, I can't even see her. And is that this bag is a bit tiny. Please, I don't got a tiny Shopkin.
What do you think what's inside?
I don't know what's her name. OMG!
What is that?
She's a juice.
Juice?
Yeah. She any. Look at the collector, guys. You look into two of those size. You guys want to play? Are you sure? OMG, I got a headset!
Oh!
Wait, is it a necklace?
I think it's a necklace.
Yeah. Let's take off my unicorn.
Aww.
This is when we finish opening.
What do you mean finish opening?
Like, we need to win to get this, and there might be one more. Oh wait, why is there
One more surprises?
No. House collector, guys. This is the house collector, guys. What? Wait. See her? Guys, is there? Wait. Let me see inside the house. Compare. Okay. Do you look at the same? Oh, this is where she goes.
She's got a toilet too? Or oh, that's a table.
Yeah.
It's like a dining room.
Yeah, what's
Beautiful one.
What is this?
Bed?
Yeah, I'm sure it might be a bed. Did I got her? I mean, wait.
Yeah, I think that's that one. That's that one.
This one?
Yeah.
I knew it is this girl.
So they have different one?
Huh?
Oh, they have different colors. This one, the donut,
Wait.
looks like a donut.
There's more in the bag.
Oh my god, there's a lot to be collected.
Yeah. Here, but I was looking all over. Do you guys want to play? Okay, let's do it. So, let's get all of my Shopkins out. Let's play. I'm gonna go to the dining room. Whee! Let's get it down. That's more better. Let's go in there. I see you tomorrow. I hope you like my video. Bye.